Despite my best efforts, every once in a while on my CNC machine, I manage to misplace an aluminum hold down. Part of what's important there is they're aluminum, not steel. So if a carbide bit hits an aluminum hold down, it doesn't hurt the bit. However, what it does hurt is that this rubber tip on here at this point is not very effective anymore. And when I try to hold down with that, it slips all over the place. Let's take care of that. Gonna take care of it with this product. This is amazing stuff. This is what it's really for, is putting rubber handles on something like side cutters or pliers that are metal only, don't have rubber on them. So that's the Plasti Dip part. Why a long time ago, still had a beard, I did a video clip on using this to rubberize the handle on collet wrenches to make them a little easier to grip. We're going to take advantage of this stuff by dipping our hold downs. Follow the instructions on the can. They do want you to kind of do this at a certain rate, but honestly, you can't mess it up. I'm going to go into the dipping sauce. Stay down in there for a little bit. The coating is available in a bunch of different colors, black, red, yellow, blue, just in case for some reason you wanted to add some color to your hold downs, or if for some reason having them color coded was a benefit. This is first coat. I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to go ahead and hit this one while we got the can open. And then what I have found is that you want to get a couple layers on here. So check the instructions on the can, and once that's dry, come back and dip again. I've got 3 layers on here with the appropriate drying time between each layer. This is one that I fixed, I don't know, a month ago or so, a month or more ago. And you can see I'm obviously using it on a regular basis, and that new rubberized coating is holding up really well. So this is a great way to rejuvenate those rubberized tips on any of your hold downs when your router bit gets just a little bit too close to the hold down.